Hello, and this is my unboxing video of the new Razor Beast scooter, stunt scooter or sports scooter, you know. Got this just today. So let's open it. Check. What else? Throw that down. Alright. Can't see the bars. These bars look so good. Oh, the grip. Let me just make sure that clamp is straight. Yes. So we got bars. Razor. Let's see if this says anything else. Well, it's got a 3 clamp, some razor grips, and it does actually have bars. I'm surprised. And let's see. I notice, you know, usual. Put that right there. Let me see. We got the deck. They did give us an Allen wrench. There's something to. There we go. Open this box. Here's the deck. The deck looks nice. You got some information. Young one. Don't know what this is, but if anybody can tell me. It's grip tape. Way so you can see. This is Beast. Beast. It's grip tape all around. Got your black glossy wheels. Nice. Yeah, authentic Razor written on it right there. Got a little headset. Cool little brake. Same wheels. Got your nice little bottom. So yeah. Put this thing together. Things first. Let me make sure that I'm doing it the right way. That's how you do it. Well, anyway, guys, that's my unboxing of the Razor Beast. Thank you. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.